Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. My name is Simplykrystelle. Today's video is a very exciting video because I'm going to be trying out some viral TikTok makeup hacks with you guys here on YouTube. So if you want to see this video, please make sure to keep on watching. But before we get on to the video, it means so much to me if you give this video a thumbs up. If you like it, it really does help out this channel a lot. And also please subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed yet. So let's get into these TikTok makeup hacks. The first hack that I'm going to do is the eyelash curler to do a perfect cut crease. I did this before on my Instagram and my TikTok and it was a total fail. So I'm going to try it again. This time it's going to be better because I know to use a more smaller brush. I'm going to be working with this Phase Zero eyeshadow palette. I actually really like this palette. I didn't think I would like these more cool toned colors, but they are actually really good and they look better on the skin than they look in the pan. So I'm gonna just start out with this shade right here just to use that as my transition color. What I've been seeing on TikTok is that you take the eyelash curler and you put it like right here, like that, and then you blend it on top. Now I have really small eyes, so I don't have a lot of like eyelid space to work with, so I'm gonna place it, I think I'm gonna place it right in here like this. And I don't think you go like this, I think you just kind of put it flat. But hold on, I'm trying to find the shape of my eyes. I don't know if it cut my crease. I have like a folded crease, so I feel like it just kind of like, I don't know. Let's see, let's try something. I'm gonna grab something a little darker, like a darker shade, right, with this darker brown here. Take this precision brush from Juvia's Place. So my crease doesn't cut. I think that's the verdict. I don't know, you guys. I don't know. This whole cut crease thing with this. Put more concealer. And let's put more concealer. I've been amazing at cut creases, so I don't do them very often, but I'm gonna go in actually with this matte shade right here, this like beige shade, to kind of just set that concealer. Because I don't know what I'm doing. I really do not know what I'm doing. The cut crease hack only works if you know how to cut your crease. If you don't, then it's not gonna work because this was a fail for me. This was not bueno, no bueno. There's no foundation hack I'm gonna test out, so I'm just gonna take this NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation and apply it. I think NARS definitely makes my favorite foundations. Like, there hasn't been one foundation I've tried from NARS that I do not like. Two hacks from TikTok that I've seen for concealer. I've seen the one where you mix your concealer with your setting powder together and then you just apply it. And there's the one that you blend, set, and bake. I've done the blend, set, and bake before, so I kind of want to try the one where you mix your powder and concealer. So I'm going to take a little bit of this Patrick Star translucent setting powder, take some of my concealer and just put it in there. You know what, but you know what would be smarter? Smarter if I just took my powder puff and swipe the concealer and then put the powder in there. There you go. Yes. So now I'm just gonna apply it. I just heard it's like a 2-in-1 type of application, and it gives like a really flawless base. And my under eyes look, I don't know if I did it wrong, but they kind of look cakey, like the powder is not melted into the concealer. So I don't know, maybe I did something wrong. Do this. Let's apply the concealer to the skin, and then with the powder puff, I'm gonna put some setting powder on it, and I'm just gonna go in and blend it in like that. Because maybe that's what I did wrong. This side definitely looks so much more smoother than the other side. So I think with this hack, you should apply them like, you shouldn't blend them together. I think that was the thing I did wrong. Okay, so now I'm gonna use the filter on TikTok that people use to contour, to highlight, and blush placement. So we're going to try that today. So I'm gonna put the filter on my phone, and I'm gonna do it. So I have it on right now, and I'm just gonna do the dots. I'm just gonna do the contour. Ooh, I'm gonna do the contour and the blush. Let's do that. Taking the Makeup by Mario stick. So let's go in with this. Okay, this is so cool. Okay, this is so weird. Okay, hold on. So dot, 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 dot. I'm gonna mess up my face. Dot, 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 dot. For blush, I'm gonna take my blush. I'm taking the Rare Beauty Worth blush. Dot, 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 dot. Okay. You guys, the dots on my forehead are so messed up. I should have done liquid contour. Alright, so my face is dotted. Now we're gonna blend all of this out. I don't know how all this is going to look, but I'm gonna take this buffing brush and just try to blend this out. This is really fun though. This is like a really, really fun video, I feel. I feel like you can really see, like when you do it this low, you can really see like the more of the chisel. Just working in sections, so I'm just gonna blend out the blush now. God, look at this. I feel like way too much. This one went into my eyebrow. We overcame this. I do notice it's a lot brighter than I usually go for under my eyebrows. I usually go for a more natural underbrow look. This is a lot more dramatic, this concealer, than I typically like, but so far I do like the placement, especially for the contour. I feel like the contour placement is definitely better than how I usually do it. So my skin is looking a lot more dewy than I want it to look, so I'm gonna go in with some Juvia's Place powdered blush. I'm gonna take this color because it's the closest one to Worth, and I'm just gonna mattify that. is super pigmented. I was go overboard with it. But I'm just gonna do the same with my bronzer. I'm gonna go in with some Black Radiance Sculpt powder just to go over the parts where I applied cream bronzer. Almost done. I'm gonna take some Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish setting powder and I'm gonna apply it all over my face to set my makeup. Take some of this e.l.f. Halo Glow Beauty Wand highlight and just really like lightly highlight. So the next hack that I want to try is really like nice and like really up my aisle. So it's just taking a false lash and just applying it to the outer corner of your eyelashes just to kind of give it like a lifted look. Going first with a coat of mascara, and I've been loving this MAC Stack Lash Mascara. It's been really good. I should have got the waterproof version because this one does smudge really easily, but I've been loving this mascara so much. The hack of putting powder between your coats of mascara, but I don't know if I want to try any more hacks. Taking the Kiss So Wispy collection, and I'm going to be using the eyelashes in the number 11. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it in half. I'm going to cut it in half, yeah. This works is that it's supposed to give you like a lifted look, but I would just use some House of Lashes glue. It's really that glue is really good. So I'm just gonna take it. I'm not the best eyelash person. Like I cannot sometimes put eyelashes for my life. What I mean with the MAC mascara, like I guess it didn't dry fully, so now it's like ugh, like spidery. There's this last hack with lip liner where you do like an O on your lips. Let me watch it and then I'm gonna try it. So with this hack, you just fill the outer pick a lighter color for the center. So I'm taking this Ulta Beauty Sunstone lipstick. Just gonna apply it in the center. Do my lips look fuller? Some Buxom Plumping Gloss in Hot Toddy. Alright guys, so that's it for this video of me trying out all these viral makeup TikTok hacks. I will say the only one that I feel like I liked was that face mapping one. That was the only one with the face guide from the app and then you put the filter on. But everything else I'm just like the eyelashes, I do that all the time. I do the half lash all the time. Just this time, I don't know, it just wouldn't apply correctly. I don't think I will do the setting powder with the concealer mixed together again. I'd rather just apply the concealer, then bake, or just set and then bake. I think that method is just better for my skin. And I don't know, I think that was just basically, it wasn't a horrible experience. Oh, the cut crease, definitely not doing that again because my crease just doesn't cut, I don't know. But it wasn't terrible, but I don't think a lot of these hacks I'll be using them, to be honest with you. So yeah, I hope you guys had fun with me and enjoyed this video as much as I did. It was fun to just try out these products and see like how to do them and like what works and what doesn't. But thank you so much for hanging out with me and trying out these hacks. Please press the subscribe button if you are not a subscriber yet, And also, please give this video a thumbs up if you like this video and want to see more videos like this. I'm Simplykrystelle, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!